Search online for Apply QUB, click the Applications Portal link at the top. If you already have a Queen's University login, you can log in now, otherwise register as a new user using this button. On this page, scroll down and complete the form with your details and click the Register button. Queen's will send you an email so that you can activate your account. So check your email inbox and click this link. Your account will now be activated. Click Continue. In the Already Registered section, log in with the email address and password that you entered previously. You will now have logged into the Direct Applications portal. Click on My Applications in red. Click the grey New Applications button. Select the Postgraduate Taught option, then click Continue below. Select Biological Sciences, then in the subject area, select Biological Sciences again. Select a degree course such as the CAFRE Business for Agri-Food and Rural Enterprise, Masters of Science, Postgraduate Certificate or Postgraduate Diploma. On this page you will be given the option to study the course full-time or part-time. Select one of these and then complete the remaining sections of the application with your details.